What if a single prayer could transform your life? I know because it changed mine. Here's how. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a story or prayer that could change your life too. A few months ago, I was struggling, feeling lost, stuck, and disconnected from everything I believed in. I tried everything to fix it, but nothing worked. Until I found the power of healing prayer. It's simple, yet profound. This prayer focuses on healing, peace, and restoring the mind, body, and spirit. I prayed, God, please heal me from the inside out, fill my heart with peace, and guide me to the strength I need. That was the start. The changes were subtle at first, but within a few days, I started to notice the difference. I felt lighter, more at peace, and as if a burden was lifted. I was no longer weighed down by stress and anxiety. What's even more amazing is how this prayer deepened my faith. I began trusting more, surrendering my worries, and connecting with a higher power in ways I'd never experienced before. I'm sharing this because I truly believe this prayer can help anyone who feels lost or overwhelmed. Healing isn't just physical, it's emotional, mental, and spiritual. If you've been struggling, I encourage you to try it. Allow the healing power of prayer to guide you. Healing prayer changed my life, and it could change yours too. If you want more stories like this, or if you're ready for your own transformation, hit that subscribe button and let's heal together. You are not alone.